It's calling you. This southern African gem is full of surprises. Imagine white sand beaches. Picture clear blue waters. Mozambique has it all. It's a place where adventure meets relaxation. What's even better? You can experience it all without breaking the bank. A $100 budget can go a long way here. Get ready for a journey full of delicious food, exciting transport, and unforgettable experiences. Mozambique offers something for everyone. Are you a history buff? Explore the colonial architecture. Do you love nature? Dive into vibrant coral reefs. Mozambique is ready to amaze you. So, pack your bags and get ready. Let's explore Mozambique together. Let's talk money. Understanding the local currency is key to making the most of your travel budget. The currency in Mozambique is the Mozambican Metical, or MZN. It's colorful and easy to recognize. Don't worry, it's easy to understand. With a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. As of today, $1 is roughly equal to 65 MZN. Exchange rates can fluctuate, so keep an eye on them. That means your $100 budget gets you around 6,500 MZN. That's quite a bit to work with. That's a lot of Meticals to play with. You can stretch your budget further than you might think. Think of it this way. With careful planning, you can maximize your experiences. A delicious meal can cost as low as 200 MZN. That's just a few dollars. Local transportation, you can hop on a chapa minibus for just 20 MZN. It's affordable and convenient. Feeling adventurous? Rent a bicycle for a day for about 300 MZN. It's a great way to explore. With some smart planning, your money will go far. You can enjoy more activities and experiences. You can enjoy the best of Mozambique without spending a fortune. Make every Metical count and have an unforgettable trip. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Mozambique offers a culinary journey like no other. Mozambican cuisine is a delicious fusion of African, Portuguese, and Indian flavors, creating a unique and vibrant food culture. The star of the show? Peri-peri prawns. These prawns are a must-try for any seafood lover. These succulent prawns are marinated in a fiery peri-peri sauce, giving them a spicy kick that's unforgettable. You can find them at local restaurants for around 400 MZN, making them an affordable luxury. Looking for something different? Try Matapa, a dish that's both hearty and flavorful. It's a traditional dish made with cassava leaves cooked with coconut milk, peanuts, and spices, offering a rich and creamy taste. It's usually served with rice or sima, a thick maize porridge that complements the dish perfectly. You can enjoy this hearty meal for as low as 150 MZN, making it a great option for budget travelers. Don't forget to try the local fruits. They are a refreshing treat in the tropical climate. Mangoes, papayas, and pineapples are abundant and incredibly cheap, bursting with natural sweetness. You can buy them from street vendors for as little as 20 MZN each, making them an affordable and healthy snack. Now let's talk about the best part, the experiences. Mozambique offers a plethora of activities that won't break the bank. Mozambique is a beach lover's paradise, with miles of stunning coastline and crystal clear waters. Head to Tofo Beach for world-class diving with whale sharks. It's an unforgettable experience that brings you up close with these gentle giants. Or visit Bazaruto Archipelago for pristine beaches and turquoise waters. It's a perfect spot for snorkeling and exploring marine life. The best part? Relaxing on the beach is absolutely free. You can spend hours soaking up the sun and enjoying the serene environment. Want to experience local life? Visit a bustling market. It's a vibrant place full of colors, sounds, and the hustle and bustle of daily life. You can find unique handicrafts, each telling a story of Mozambique's rich culture and traditions. Fresh produce and spices. The markets are a feast for the senses. Don't be afraid to haggle. It's all part of the experience and can be quite fun. It's all part of the experience. Engaging with locals and learning about their way of life adds depth to your travel. For a truly unique adventure, take a dhow boat ride. These traditional wooden boats are a symbol of Mozambique's maritime heritage. These traditional wooden boats offer a scenic way to explore the coastline. The views from the water are simply breathtaking. You can negotiate a ride for around 500 MZN, making it an affordable adventure. Mozambique is a country full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From its vibrant culture to its stunning landscapes, there's so much to explore. So, would you choose Mozambique for your next beach getaway? I know I would. The experiences here are truly priceless.